Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the currency on the Airbnb website in 2025. It only takes a couple of clicks, so let's get started. First, head over to airbnb.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner. You'll see a few icons, like the Become a Host button, the 3-bar menu, and yeah, a little globe icon. That's the one we want. Go ahead and click that globe icon. A menu will pop up showing language, region, and right below that, currency. You can change all three from here. Now, tap on currency, you'll see a full list of options. US dollars, euros, Australian dollars, pesos, and more. Scroll until you find the one you want. In my case, let's switch from Philippine peso to Australian dollar. Just click it, the page will refresh automatically, and boom, you'll now see all Airbnb listings displayed in your chosen currency, no extra steps needed. And that's it. That's how you change the currency on Airbnb's website. Super quick and really handy when you're planning trips abroad. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.